Hello guys, today we have learned about the Google Keyword Planner. This is completely a free tool which help you to analyze your competitors' top ranking keyword. You have just to log in this site, go to discover keyword section, and then here is my competitor with name is Ahrefs. I just go to her resource section, click on the blog icon. So here are my competitors top ranking video. We just have to click on the blog URL and take the main URL of the blog and just copy paste it to the this section. This is two section, basically start with keyword and start with a website. So this is my, so I click on the website section and simply paste it, and there is two other features are also there to set the keyword targeting, like for the all entire site and for this particular blog also. So I used to use only this page, and after that I have another option to select for which country or state I am targeting. So click on this. I am currently looking for United States, so I click on United States and save it and click on the get results button. After that, here you can see there are lots of top ranking keywords of my competitors was there, which I use for boost up my SEO and blog ranking easily. So in this section we show you the keywords or average DAPA and the ranking of the keyword, it is or low, medium or high, and many more things you can easily get by just one click. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.
Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informational videos.